How to hide your profile display on Instagram. If any day any of you are an Instagram user and you like to hide your profile display on Instagram but you do not know how to do that, just follow the following steps. For this, first of all, you have to check whether you are connected to a stable internet connection or not, because you cannot do the processes if you are not connected to a stable internet connection. If you are not connected to a stable internet connection, what you have to do is you have to connect to a stable internet connection on your very mobile device on which you are carrying out all of the functions out here. So after you're connected to a stable internet connection on your mobile device, you have to follow the next steps. That is, you have to launch the very Instagram application on your mobile device. For that, you have to find the very Instagram application on your mobile device. You can find it by scrolling left or right or going to the search icon. After you find the very Instagram application, you have to tap on it and then go to the profile like icon. After that, you have to tap on the option of edit the profile. After tapping on edit the profile, now you have to go to the downside and then tap on the option of profile display. Now if you see the option of the profile display, you can see an interface like this. Now what you can do is, if you have just disabled it like this, it's okay. But if you have enabled it like this in the blue like icon, you have to disable the very option of the profile display by just going to the next option, and it shows the white like option there. So this is the way on how you can hide your profile display. Thank you for watching our video, and if you really like it, do not forget to subscribe our channel.